In this video, I'll demonstrate how to create internal page links in WordPress. So the thing that we want to do here is we've got a list of topics here, and then we've got this big long page full of stuff related to those topics. So one of the topics is World War II, and down here at the bottom of the page, there's a bunch of World War II videos. Where is it? Oh, it's way down here. Look, it's so hard to find because it's way down here. So we want to make it easier for our users to find, scrolling, the WW2 thing directly without having to go through all the pain that I just went to. So go from those two places, the first place down here to the second place. So how do we make it so that we can click that link way up here at the top, and it'll take them all the way down to the bottom? All right, so let's go to our editor. Here is that page. So back up to the top we go. Here's World War II, and we want to turn that into a link. But links just go to pages, right? So how do we make that link go to somewhere on this page? So it's a little tricky. There's no way to do that kind of using the standard link tools here. We can, and we can do it here, but the easiest way to do it is to switch from visual to text mode. So we're going to go into text mode, and it's a little scary because the stuff looks weird. And there's our initial link, and the first thing that we need to do is to create an ID on the thing that we want this to link to. All right. So we're going to go find World War II, and here it is. Okay. So on this one, I actually accidentally already did it, but you can see. So what I'm going to do is this right here, this H2 here. This is that title down at the bottom of the page. And you can tell that it's the big title because it's got an H2 here, which means that it's a pretty big title. So all we need to do is we need to paste in here an ID. So the ID equals, and then what we put in this section here should probably correlate to what the title is itself, but it could be anything as long as that anything is unique on this page. All right. So I just did www2, and I'm going to copy that up here. All right, because when I make my link, it's got to go to that. So we're going to go back up to the top of the page. That's all you need to do down there at the bottom. Right here, we're going to put in a new link. Right, and the URL for that link is just going to be hash and the content and that little the ID rather. And once we do that, now we've got a link to with an href of hash www2. So you can just do, you don't need to use the link button. You can manually paste this in if you want to. So then when we switch back to here, we see, oh, it's a link, and oh, it goes there. And now I'm going to save it and show you how it works in real life. I'm going to wait till that page saves. And now I can reload this page. Now when I reload it, you should see that link. When I click that link, it should take me down there to www2. Now, you notice that it didn't take me, took me to center of the page a little too low. And that's partly because this banner up here is here. If we go outside of, get a new browser window where I'm not logged in. If I'm not logged in, it should go, yeah, it works much better. Oh no, it still kind of moves it down a little bit. We might want to, you might want to play with moving that ID a little higher on the page. I'll show you how you can do that. So go back in here to the text, and let's see if it works a little better if we go to, and here we are. So we could move this ID. This ID can be on any tag. It doesn't have to be on that one. if we put it here, let's see if that actually works. So I just chose this because it's a little above it, and therefore it might center the title a little better and work better for your users. So let's see now. Does it work better? Gotta wait till it's done loading. And load the page. And if I click here, yeah, so now it shows that title more in the center of the page. So basically what happens when you click that link, where it'll put whatever, the top of whatever you set that link onto, it'll set that even with the top of the page. So anyway, hope that helps. Call me if you have